Everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here again with you with a roof wash today. Got a call from a customer from a referral, and here it is. We got a beautiful roof to do. Love it. So what we're gonna do today, we're just gonna do a little video on our process. I did one recently with our process of downstreaming, which seemed to be a pretty good hit and helping people out. We're gonna do the same here. So the first thing we do when we get to a job, roof wash like this, obviously connect our feed hose. We also have an extra hose that we use for ground guy. So Tony's a ground guy with that hose. So we rarely run a machine to spray water on plants. I just think it's if you don't have to, why not use the water from the customer to save on fuel and everything else on costs. We used bleach, 12.5%, just filled it up today, and we'll be using our soft wash system, which is a 12 volt 5.5 GPM unit. Turn that thing on, and we use we got a 14-gallon soap tank over here that has slow-mo with an added scent to it, and we have a proportioner. So when we're doing a roof like this, with as dirty as this thing is, instead of hitting it with 3% twice, or spot treating it, we may bump it to a 4% and just be cautious of the plants. Again, we have gutters in the front and the back, no side gutters. So here's our water all the way open. Soap, we're gonna turn that to probably around, since we got a high pitch roof, we're gonna put it on about 3. And here's our bleach. So our bleach, as is off, that's 3%. This is 4.5. We're gonna kind of hit it in the middle right here around 4. And then I switch my valve that feeds my proportioner to SH. So it's gonna suck bleach out, and we'll be ready to roll. Now, of course, you got 225 feet, or I do, of hose that has water in it. So you may want to spray it somewhere, preferably not in the grass for too long, but in here it's already dead, so we can spray it in here until we get the bleach. So when we get up to the roof, we're shooting bleach. Okay guys, so Tony's gonna get the little giant set up. Again, property protection is the most important thing here, because you'll burn a plant or something quick when you get high mix on the concentration. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and set up, show you the back of the property here. And again, don't forget your pictures. This is great before and after pictures. And another point on roof washing, check your weather, because if it's going to rain that night, the next day, I would caution you to put that roof wash off until you can get 2 solid days of no rain. So let that bleach kind of go away, and doesn't kill it. Because if you put the bleach on the roof now and it rained tonight, all that bleach is going to come out of here. So we got to be cognizant of that. So we check the weather. It's not going to rain here until maybe Thursday or Friday, maybe, and that's perfect for us. So we're going to go ahead and get set up, and then we'll get to shooting. Catch up with you in a minute. Peace. As we got everything pulled over the fence, ready to roll, start spraying on this roof. I like to start on the end because I don't like to overshoot. Anything maybe over here I may hit, so I like to shoot from the ends and then get to the middle. Also be cognizant of your gutters, where they drain in. We already flooded this area out with water. And I already prefaced the customer with, look, anything sitting right here, you may have a little bit of damage or killing the grass. He said I'll be doing him a favor. So it ain't a big deal, but again, we like to do our due diligence and do the property protection. So I'm gonna get on the ladder, and I'm just gonna start spraying it this way, let it run down, come out. Tony's gonna be here with the property protection, cleaning the gutters, and then we'll spray water in the gutters after most of it drips off to dilute any of that may come off with condensation. So we do have some wind here today. We got to be cognizant of that as well. So when you do a fan spray pattern with the wind, they don't get along. So we're gonna go ahead and get rolling. All right, peace. Started spraying, and I let it run because I want to maximize my coverage. Because if you spray too much, it's going to come down like an avalanche. So just take your time, be cognizant of that. Let it work. You got to give it time to work. You know, I give it 30 minutes, probably. You know, start, go around the house, come back, check it, and see how it looks. Or when I get done the back half of the house, I'll come back, check the front section, the first section that I've done, see how it's working with the chemical, if I need to up my chems or not, you know, adjust it accordingly. But just let it work. Just let it do it work. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish this side, and I could probably do this from the ground, not a big deal. And I am using this 12 volt, so the distance ain't the greatest, but it works. We'll figure it out. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. We got most of the half of the back done, but I need a little bit hotter mix. So I'm gonna come back to my trailer. Like I said, we was at 4. I'm gonna go 4.5 on the mix, spike it up a little bit, so we're good. So anyway, I forgot to mention also, property protection is a must. All right, peace. Outside the house, had the homeowner come home, and he knows a lot of people I know, so we got to talk for 30-40 minutes. And anyway, this is where we at. I did up the percentage to close to 5% because this is filthy, very bad, and it's taking some extra coats. So, but I'm hitting it from the ground with the 12 volt. I mean, again, this side ain't that high of a pitch, but that pitch over there, I had to. So you just put a little bit on there, let it run, and let it marinate, let it work, let it work. 12 volt just got enough. So I got it, like I told you before. I mean, I know a lot of people's running this gas roof pump, which not a bad idea, but I don't know, man. That'd be too much volume for me. Maybe it's me. I don't know. I haven't tried it, so I don't know. I can't really get that corner. Hit this spot too right away. So anyway, that's about it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and finish up. Catch up with you in a minute. So far, so good. It's all about property protection. Spend the extra time. Trust me. You see that? That's what it's about. Back at the house, just rinsing it down. I like to do this every time I wash. Just rinse it all down. It's all water. It's okay. Keep it nice. All that bleach off of everything. We're able to get it done. I ended up talking to this guy for a long time. He knew a lot of people, and he said, "Oh, by the way, I got 3 neighbors that want theirs done now." And yeah, so get underneath the trailer in case we spill any bleach. Again, we just rinse it. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. It's a little bit of water. I seen one guy's trailer at the bleach store today, and his was half rusted out. I guess he don't rent it. I told him, man, come on. Anyway, guys, appreciate the likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. Another roof down. I hope this process works. Helps everybody. If you got any questions, just holler at me. Again, I try to work my way up from a low percentage mix. I'll tell you what, we used probably 25 gallons of bleach on that job. It was a bad roof. It was bad. And I had to hit it twice. So, you know, I probably should have went a little stronger on an initial shot, but it's okay. We work up because if you don't need all that bleach, why waste the chem? So anyway, all right, guys, appreciate the likes, subs, calls, comments again. Keep them coming. Peace.